For my 3D sculpture art, I prepare my canvas, because it is necessary that the canvas is stiff and firm to support the sculpture, or else it will collapse on the canvas fabric, which will result in cracks and breaks. In the second step, I do the base of the sculpture art by adding layers of the 3D paste. If you want to know how to make the paste, there is a tutorial on my channel. Keep adding dry pop and 3D paste to make the sculpture base or outline. Add some depth and details while the paste is wet and manageable. Using a dry clay, which I did a tutorial to make at home. Make a design of your own choice here. I'm making an ice cream scoop. I'm now placing the scoop onto the canvas, which I prepared for the sculpture art. Secure it by adding pop around. Acrylic paints are best to do the painting on this medium. After doing the paint, I use white glue and water mixture to apply all over once the paint is dry.